Hello there, my name is Elsie Mukoko and I am a freelancer with experience in accounting and data entry to help you organize your data and keep things clear and correct. I work with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, Word, MS Access, Sage, and QuickBooks. I also speak French and English, so I can help with translations too. I am a reliable person. I pay attention to details and I always try to do my best for my clients. If you need someone who works fast and communicates well, please, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching this video and I look forward to working with you. Thank you so much.